I've been conducting the Esprit de Velox program for 10 years. In October, I will drive a workshop during the CTEC Week in Brest. Recently, some initiatives opened the way to a greener research fleet and zero-impact ocean science. New platforms and practices question the evolution and flexibility of the research process itself. Some of the questions we will address with experts from CNRS, Marine Institute, IFREMER, SCRAVIC and PROMAR will be: how do ocean scientists react to depression, to decarbonation? Will there be any room left for humans to embark for science? What consequences on the way ocean researches are conducted and on their impacts? Come and meet us at CTEC Week from October 15th to 17th in Brest, an international event you cannot miss.